For more than 120 years, MEMA Aftermarket Suppliers has seen and supported the motor vehicle industry through pivotal moments of change to keep America's vehicles safe on the road, like championing the landmark Motor Vehicle Safety Act in the 60s. Today, our industry is at another crossroads. In modern vehicles, sensors and software are commonplace. Consumers, vehicle suppliers, and mechanics need vehicle repair and maintenance data to access and provide safe, secure, high-quality repairs and parts. The catch? This information is currently controlled by vehicle manufacturers, and they don't want to share it. MEMA Aftermarket Suppliers is proud to support the Repair Act, a fair and safe bipartisan solution for expanding vehicle repair access, allowing aftermarket suppliers and independent repair shops to get the information and tools they need to service modern vehicles. Providing safe, secure access to data is nothing new in an increasingly data-driven world. Everyday tasks like answering an email or paying your babysitter rely on authentication systems to make sure that the right parties access the information they need without compromising your privacy and security. Apply that model to the auto industry. Like any other multi-step login process, a third-party authentication system would enable trusted repair shops and suppliers to access only the data needed for repairs, maintenance, and parts integration, not any of your personal private information. With the Repair Act, vehicle manufacturers, aftermarket suppliers, and independent repairers would operate on an equal playing field that promotes competition and security, and puts vehicle owners back in the driver's seat for making decisions about their vehicles and how, where, and when they want it to be repaired. Call on Congress to advance the Repair Act today at MEMA.org/R2R.